How you can fix the Telegram video is not downloading. So let's start. So first of all, you have to check out that you are using the latest version of your Telegram. For that, you have to go into your app store or the Play Store that you are using, and here you have to go in the search and search for the Telegram. Now from here you have to click on it and make sure that you are using the latest version, and after that you have to go back and you have to clear the cache of your Telegram. For that, you have to go into your settings and click on the general. Now you have to go in the iPhone storage, and if you are in the Android, you have to go into your app management settings. From here you have to open up the Telegram. Now here is the option of the offload app. You have to click on it. Now basically it will free up all of the storage that is used by the app and clear its cache. And in the Android you have to clear the cache of your Telegram, and after that you have to again go back and you have to go into your Wi-Fi or mobile data settings, and you have to make sure that you are using the secure internet connection. For that you have to restart your internet and you have to check out, and that's how you can fix the Telegram video is not downloading. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.